Today I'm working in the sawmill, and before you there you see two cherry logs. One has bark on it. The other I removed the bark on 2 years ago when I dropped these trees. I waxed the ends on all my logs, but I only bothered to remove bark from one of them. And as I'm cutting today, I realized that, and you can see here how punky that is. And I'm thinking, well, let me just show you here on this other one. I mean, that's just as hard as the day is long. So I'm thinking the bark must be holding in moisture, causing this to get punky. And I'm still getting good wood out. We go over here to the slab pile. See there, I think you can see that this here, that's punky. I mean, it's just bad shape, and that has bark on it. Like I say, these logs have been down for 2 years. And this one, solid. This one's punky. That'd be a lesson for you. If you're gonna let logs set for a long period of time, and these have set for 2 years under leaves and everything else, I never bothered to bring them home even, so it just had moisture locked in them, and the bark's helping hold the moisture in, causing them to rot out quicker. Let that be a lesson. I mean, I'm getting nice cherry boards. Which is beautiful.